Hello everyone and welcome back to the English podcast channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about today's topic, the weather. It's such a simple thing, but we all talk about it a lot, right?
Yes, the weather is something everyone talks about every day. And it's a great way to practice English because you can use so many simple words and sentences.
Exactly. And it's also personal. Like, I always feel happy when the sun is out, and I feel lazy when it's rainy.
Oh yes, me too. You know, last week it rained for 3 days straight in my city. I was stuck inside and I couldn't go jogging. I felt so bored.
Oh no, that's not fun. I actually love the rain sometimes. I like to stay at home, drink tea, and read a book. It feels calm and cozy.
That's true. Rain can be relaxing, but too much rain can be annoying. You know, when you have to carry an umbrella and your shoes get wet. Ugh.
Yes, I hate wet shoes and puddles everywhere. But talking about the rain, do you remember that time you got stuck in the storm last summer?
Oh yes, that was crazy. I went out to meet a friend and suddenly the sky turned dark and heavy rain started. I didn't have an umbrella. I got completely soaked. My shoes, my bag, everything was wet.
That's so you, Zach. Always forgetting your umbrella.
I know. I learned my lesson, kind of. But hey, let's talk about sunny weather too. I love sunny days. It's perfect for going outside, walking in the park, or having a picnic.
Yes, I love sunny days too, but sometimes it gets too hot. You know, when the sun is very strong and you feel tired quickly.
Oh yes, summer heat can be tough. I remember last year it was 38 degrees Celsius. That's very hot. I stayed inside with air conditioning most of the time.
Wow, that's very hot indeed. I think for beginners, talking about the weather is easy because we can say simple things like, it's sunny, it's cold, it's raining, and then add feelings like, I like it, I don't like it.
Yes, that's a great point. You can start very simple. Like today I can say, it's cloudy, and you can say, yes, I like cloudy weather, it feels calm.
Exactly. And you can also ask questions like, what's the weather like in your city? Or do you like cold weather? These are easy and natural questions.
Oh yes, and you can also tell small stories about the weather. Like yesterday, it was very windy. I tried to walk outside, but the wind was so strong.
That's funny. I remember one windy day, my hat flew away and I had to run after it. I looked so silly, but it was fun.
Oh, I love that story. Weather gives us so many simple experiences to talk about. And you can also talk about seasons. Do you want to do that?
Yes, seasons are a great topic. There's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has its own weather, and people feel different things.
Right. I like spring. The flowers bloom, the weather is not too hot or cold, and everything feels fresh.
I like spring too. I also love autumn. The leaves change colors, it's cooler, and it's perfect for walking outside.
Yes, autumn is very beautiful. Winter is my least favorite because it's very cold. I don't like wearing so many clothes all the time.
I understand, but I like winter. I like snow. I like drinking hot chocolate while watching the snow outside.
That sounds nice. I've never been in heavy snow, but I think I would enjoy it too. Maybe I just don't like cold temperatures, but snow looks fun.
Weather is also a good topic for talking about feelings. Like sometimes when it's rainy, people feel sad or sleepy. When it's sunny, people feel happy and energetic.
Yes, and you can ask others about their feelings. Do you like rainy days? Are you happy when it's sunny?
Exactly. That's why beginners can start very simple, but also have long conversations naturally.
Zoe, I remember last winter it snowed a little here. I went outside and it was so cold, but I felt happy because it was beautiful. I took photos of the snow.
Oh, I love photos of snow. It makes everything look magical. I also remember last summer, it was so hot. I went to the beach and it was amazing. The sun, the water, the sand, perfect weather.
Yes, weather also gives us memories like vacations, trips, or even small daily moments.
And talking about these moments helps you practice English naturally. You can describe the weather, your feelings, and the story at the same time.
Right, and you can also compare the weather in different places. Like in my city, it's hot today. How about your city?
It's cold here. I need a jacket. Simple conversation, but very useful.
Yes, and beginners can also learn words for different weather, like sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, foggy, hot, cold, warm, and cool.
That's a great list. And you can also describe how the weather changes. Like yesterday it was sunny, today it's raining, and tomorrow it will be cloudy.
Oh yes, that's very natural. And talking about the weather is also a great way to start small talk with friends or strangers.
Exactly. And now, before we continue our weather stories, we want to say, if you like this video, please subscribe to our English podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot, and we want to help more people learn English. Also, share this episode with your friends.
Thank you. Yes, subscribing and sharing really helps us keep creating more fun English lessons.
Now, let's continue. Zach, do you remember any funny weather moments?
Oh yes, one time it rained very suddenly when I was walking to school. I had no umbrella, my hair got wet, my shoes were wet, and I laughed because I looked like a little duck.
That's funny. I also remember a windy day when my hat flew into the street and a stranger returned it to me. It was nice and I felt happy about the kindness.
Weather also makes us notice people, like helping someone with umbrellas, giving a jacket, simple kindness.
That's true. Weather is not just about sun, rain, or snow, it's also about life and feelings.
And it's simple to practice English with. Even beginners can start with "it's sunny" and then build longer stories slowly.
Exactly. And ask questions like, do you like this weather? What is your favorite season? What did you do yesterday when it was sunny?
Zoe, I think weather conversations are endless. You can talk for 30 minutes or more just describing today, yesterday, and tomorrow.
Yes, and that's why it's perfect for beginners. You practice words, feelings, and small stories.
Let's give a small example. I can say, yesterday it rained a lot. I stayed inside and watched a movie. I felt cozy.
And I can reply, that sounds nice. Yesterday it was sunny here. I went to the park and walked with my dog. I felt happy.
See? Very simple, but natural and fun.
That's a great example, and it's something viewers can try themselves.
Exactly. So remember, beginners, talking about the weather is not boring. You can tell stories, share feelings, and even laugh at little moments.
Yes, and as a takeaway, I want to say the weather is everywhere, every day. Talking about it is natural, easy, and it helps you connect with people.
And don't forget to enjoy it. Whether it's sunny, rainy, snowy, or windy, every weather has a story.
That's right. So thank you for watching, everyone. Remember to practice English every day, talk about small things like the weather, and slowly you will feel more confident.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time on the English Podcast channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.